from day one. He runs straight to me because as soon as I open the door, he comes like a tiger. It's like amazing the connection that we have, and it's just beautiful. Don't let him go yet. Don't let him go. Gotta calm down. My son is not helping me with suitcases because they trust his energy right away. And so that's a big plus. See, this is my first time actually touching so close, right? First time touching basics. Good job. Good boy. Good boy. Playing, eating, walking, peeing. He has to learn all the social behaviors. So he's always being reminded by a dog to stay in that state. And always being reminded by a human to stay in that state as well.
Cesar invites the Rottweiler's 16-year-old rescue worker, Justice, and her mother, Maureen, to visit.
I want to see the reaction of my boy over there. Very nice, very nice. I want him to find her. That's a good reunion. Keep going, sweetie. Keep going, keep going. So obviously, excitement. See, if he goes in front of her, that could be very different for the way the pack can treat her or the way the pack can treat him after this, because he's excited dominant. So we don't want the dominant part, we just want the excitement submission. That would be nice. Turn around. There you go.
I just wanted to break down, so I kind of was so excited. I've never seen him so relaxed and being able to walk around and do whatever he wants for a whole year. I've never seen him like that. You're not even paying attention.
He is. Just not this attention. Not this attention. But right now, this is a normal dog paying attention. See, everybody's doing it.
Yeah.
Everybody's paying attention. We get out, they move. Right now, this is an activity. Be relaxed while the trucks are passing by. How many dogs did you know that when the truck passed by, bark?
Oh my
This
God.
pack is practicing be relaxed when a truck passed by. I know a lot of people want that intimacy, you know, hot dogs and everything. But when you're giving affection for the first time, make sure that you have this bubble. And you can just... It's a way of loving without the physical touch. At the same time, everybody gets the affection. When you do it the physical touch, you just focus on one dog. You see it? Only that one. But when you're in a pack of dogs, this is a much better ritual. What we're doing right now.
I've never seen him like this.
Yeah.
He's always tense at the shelter, and I'm like had his head up, like looking around, or he's by me, like getting really nervous. He'll always look his eyes up at me, though. He'll always look at me to make sure, okay, is this okay? Can I do this? But when anybody else, if he was near him, he gets really tense and just puts his head down and looks at him like, don't come another step. But this is just, he had never seen like this. A whole year, known him.
You can touch. That's a good meeting, but you know, try to do this now. That also changes you.
Okay, baby.
No. Come in now. Whatever happened, you know, whatever touch, that's an area that feels sensitive to him. So you don't touch anymore, just go. Because he became weak, right? So you being in an emotional state, that's a soft state. So it's too weak. So the first thing is stop giving affection. Then once he goes back to his all self, you go back into giving affection. See, hero, ready, let it go.
Let it go.
That's fine, whatever it was. We want to keep working on that part, you know,
Yeah.
feel sensitive. Whoever hit him, you know, whatever touch him or whatever, touch that part of the body and approach it in a certain way. You know, that's what we're still working on that part. So he has recovered at least 80%, but he still has that moment. We have to bring brooms and we have to bring many things that makes him afraid, you know, for whatever